What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is that how to fix PS4 SU-41333-4 can't start your application on a PlayStation. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we at the screen we go to the settings. Here we are at the settings. Our application, which one is not working, you just check the update of your application. That's how you go check for the updates. If the update is available, you just go to update. If your application is up to date, then go to system software, check the system software is up to date or not. And here's the initialization. You just go to the restore application. Here you can set the restore settings, and here you can initialize the full or a quick, but I'm going to suggest you just go turn off your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. Here we are the safe mode. You just connect your DualShock with the USB cable and then press PS button. It will be start, and you go to the rebuild database. Simply you just go to rebuild database. After rebuilding database, your corrupted files will be deleted and your application will be work. So here it takes just 1 minute or less than 1 minute to rebuild the database, maybe 60 seconds, 70 seconds, and then after rebuilding database, you get back to your PlayStation 4 home screen, and you just go play your application. So simply that's how you can fix this up. And if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.